know exactly the perm I am talking about. Tight, uniform, wound so stiff it does not move when you turn your head. It has been standard issue for women over 60 for decades, and it is quietly adding years to a face that does not need the help. Here is exactly why. A curl wound that tight sits flat against the skull and drops hard little shadows directly into the lines around your eyes and your mouth. But loosen that curl, give it room to breathe and lift, and light slides across your face instead of catching in it. That single shift alone takes years off. And today, I have 7 specific styles that do exactly that. If you are new here, subscribe right now, because this is the kind of honest, practical conversation we have every single week. Now let us get into the 7 styles. Starting at the crown, where the granny perm does its quietest damage. Style 1. The soft cloud crop. Short hair, but think of it as airy rather than cropped. Loose curl that sits up and away from the head like a soft cloud resting at the crown, rather than tight curl pressed flat against the skull. The difference sounds small. On the face it is enormous. When curl lifts up and out, it casts a soft frame around your features and adds the illusion of fullness exactly where thinning hair tends to lose it. When curl presses down, it does the opposite. It shrink wraps the head and shows every inch of scalp. And after 60, thinning almost never happens evenly. It shows first and worst right at the crown, which is precisely the spot a tight perm flattens and lays bare. Pile soft lifted curl there instead, and you put body back precisely where the years quietly took it. Every eye in the room reads that as more hair, never less. That single move is the whole trick, and almost nobody uses it. This is the cut for the woman whose hair has gone fine and sparse, the woman who has been told curls will not work for her anymore. They will. They just need to be the right curls. Tell your stylist you want a short crop with soft, loose curl, weight kept high at the crown, and nothing slicked down to the scalp. Use those exact words. Loose, high, soft. They are the opposite of everything a granny perm stands for, and a good stylist will know precisely what you mean. Skip the chemical perm for this style. Instead, set the curl overnight with large foam rollers. In the morning, unroll, shake gently with your fingers rather than a brush, and mist with the lightest mousse you can find. Heavy gels and stiff sprays drag fine hair down and turn soft cloud into crunchy helmet. A whisper of product is genuinely all you need. Style 2. The silver halo bob. A curly bob that lands right at the jaw, with soft curls framing the face on either side like a gentle halo. And there is a specific reason this works so beautifully after 60. As we age, the jawline softens, and the eye tends to drift downward. A bob cut to the jaw with face-framing curls catches that eye and lifts it back up toward the cheekbones, toward the eyes, toward the parts of your face that still sparkle. Here is the length rule that determines everything. A bob falling below the jaw drags the entire face downward and adds years. A bob stopping right at the jaw, or even a touch above it, lifts the face up. 1 inch is the difference between aging yourself and erasing a decade. Why? When you are in the chair. The granny perm cannot do this because it has no shape that relates to your face at all. It is the same uniform curl all the way around, a ball that ignores the bone structure underneath it. The halo bob is the exact opposite. It is cut for your face and shaped around it. Tell your stylist a curly bob, hitting right at the jaw with deliberate face-framing pieces left a touch longer in the front. Soft curl throughout, never tight. Ask for those front pieces to have a gentle bend rather than a spiral, so they sweep along the cheek instead of springing away from it. And about that silver, this style lives or dies on shine. Ask about a clear gloss treatment at the salon every few months, the kind that adds shine without adding color. At home, sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. Cotton roughs up fragile silver strands all night. Silk lets them glide. Less breakage, far more shine by morning. Style 3. Soft finger waves reimagined. Push the old image out of your mind entirely. Forget the hard shellacked waves from another era. We are talking about soft finger waves, gentle S-shaped movement that ripples through the hair like wind across water. And here is why this is a secret weapon. It does not need volume. It does not need thickness. It works entirely through shape, which means even the finest, thinnest hair can wear it beautifully. Most styles ask hair to be full. This one asks hair to be sculpted, and sculpture does not care how much material you have. In fact, the lower density many of us have been quietly mourning is actually the secret asset here. A few sculpted waves need room to be seen, and finer hair gives them exactly that room. Where thick hair fights a wave and pushes it loose, fine hair takes the shape and holds it for days. A few soft waves laid into silver hair, read as deliberate, artistic, and deeply elegant. They say this woman chose this look with intention. And intention is the most youthful quality in the world, because it is the opposite of giving up. Tell your stylist you want soft, modern finger waves, not the tight vintage version, just gentle S-shaped movement, set close along the sides, and a little looser through the top. The waves are set with a little styling lotion and a few clips while the hair dries. No heat at all. Once you learn the rhythm of where to place them, it becomes a 5-minute ritual at your own bathroom mirror. And if these first 3 styles are making you see your hair completely differently, right now is exactly the moment to subscribe if you have not already. 4 more styles are coming, and the last one is the most radical and the most freeing of all. Style 4. The feathered layered lob. A lob is a longer bob landing somewhere between the chin and the collarbone, and the magic word here is feathered. Soft, light layers cut through the length so the curl can move. Because movement is youth. A long, heavy, uniform curl just hangs there like a curtain. Feathered layers break that up and let the curl bounce, sway, and catch the light from a dozen angles instead of one. This is the style that brings romance back into the picture. And yes, romance is absolutely allowed after 60. Loose layered curls have a softness that reads as warm and approachable. They move when you turn your head. They settle differently every day, which keeps the look alive instead of frozen. Tell your stylist a lob with feathered layers and loose movable curl with plenty of texture and absolutely no helmet effect. Tell them you want it to move when you move. One honest word of caution. This is the single style on this list that asks something of your hair. You need enough length and enough body to carry it, because long, thin curl with nothing underneath can pull the face down and read tired. This is the one for the woman who kept her thickness. For everyone else, the shorter shapes flatter more, and there is no shame in that, only good sense. Style 5. The tapered curly crown. The curl and the height live on top, concentrated where they do the most good, and the sides and back are cut closer and cleaner, tapered down gently toward the neck. This is one of the most current youthful shapes in hair right now, and it works beautifully after 60, because it puts the visual interest exactly where you want the eye to go, up toward your face and away from a softening neckline. The reason this lifts years is all about proportion. Height at the crown elongates the whole head and face, creating a slimming lifting effect, like a gentle visual tug upward. And it does something quietly kind for the neck. As the years soften the jaw and neckline, a tapered, cleaned-up nape draws the eye up and away from the very places we feel most self-conscious about. Tell your stylist you want the curl and the height kept on top, tapered shorter and cleaner at the sides and the nape. Soft on top, but neat around the edges. And here is the gift. This might be the lowest maintenance style on the entire list. A tiny amount of curl cream pressed into the top, scrunched gently, and left to air dry. The sides need nothing at all. You wash it, scrunch the top, and walk out the door looking sharper than women half your age. That is what the right cut genuinely buys you. Style 6. The loose spiral shag with curtain fringe. A shag is a tousled layered lived-in cut full of texture. When set with loose spiral curls instead of tight ones, it becomes soft and romantic. But the real secret is the fringe. A curtain fringe parted gently down the middle and sweeping out to the sides frames the face like soft curtains drawn back from a window. And after 60, the hairline often creeps back, and the forehead grows taller, quietly throwing the whole face out of balance. A soft curtain fringe shortens that forehead visually, rebuilds the proportion, softens the lines gathered from a lifetime of laughing and living, and frames your face all at once. 3 jobs from one gentle piece of hair. It does not hide anything. It simply gives the eye somewhere softer to land and flatters the face the way a good frame flatters a painting. The shag's loose spirals add the movement and life, and the whole thing together looks effortless, current, and playful in the best possible way. Tell your stylist a soft shag with loose spiral curls and a curtain fringe parted in the middle and swept to the sides to frame the face, tousled and lived in, never stiff. The upkeep is delightfully minimal, a light texture spray scrunched in with your fingers. Never a brush because brushing kills the spiral and turns soft texture into frizz. You scrunch, you shake, you let it fall where it wants to, and every way it falls looks intentional. Style 7, the Wash and Go Coil Cap. And here it is, the 7th style, the one almost no stylist will ever suggest to a woman over 60, and the reason they will not suggest it tells you everything about where the beauty industry has failed you. This one is for the woman whose hair has natural curl or coil already living inside it, the texture so many of us were taught to fight our entire lives, to straighten, to relax, to tame, to perm into submission. The radical idea is this: what if you let it simply be what it is? Cut short and shaped close to the head, your own natural curl pattern becomes a soft, sculpted cap of texture that needs no chemicals, no rollers, no heat, and almost no time. Stylists rarely suggest this because they were trained to add curl, to process curl, to sell you curl, not to celebrate the curl you already have. And understand what zero processing actually buys your hair. Aged hair breaks because the strand walls have thinned and the bonds have weakened over the years. Every perm and every round of high heat attacks those weak points and snaps them. Walk away from all of it, and the breakage stops. And here is the wonderful irony. Your hair starts to look thicker simply because far less of it is breaking off and ending up in the sink. Tell your stylist you want your haircut to follow your natural curl pattern, shaped short and clean, with no chemical processing at all. Say that last part clearly. No processing. The whole routine becomes water, a little leave-in conditioner, a scrunch with your fingers, and air dry. Some of you will spend under 2 minutes on your hair and look more striking than you have in years. The deeper thing, the thing that goes past hair entirely, is this. For so many women, natural texture was treated as a problem to be solved, something to be hidden or smoothed or apologized for. Wearing it now, proudly shaped in silver, is a homecoming. It says you have nothing left to prove and nothing left to hide. And there is nothing on this earth that looks younger than a woman who has finally, completely, made peace with herself. 7 styles, not one granny perm among them. The soft cloud crop, the silver halo bob, the reimagined finger waves, the feathered layered lob, the tapered curly crown, the loose spiral shag with curtain fringe, and the wash and go coil cap, the truest, freest, most youthful choice of all. Every single one of them shares the same quiet secret. Loosen the curl, lift it off the head, and let the light move across your face instead of catching in it. That is the whole difference between looking your age and looking 10 years younger than it. Not one of these asked you to make your hair smaller, tighter, or more invisible. Not one treated your age as a problem to be solved. Because looking younger after 60 was never about chasing youth. It is about shape that flatters, movement that lives, silver that shines, and the simple, powerful decision to stop disappearing. Tell me in the comments which of these 7 is calling your name, and tell me one thing your stylist has been getting wrong all these years because I promise you, you are not the only one. Subscribe to Classic Chic Styles if you are not already here. This is a place built entirely for you, for your style, your dignity, and your right to feel beautiful at every single age you are lucky enough to reach. You were never too old for any of this. You were only ever handed the wrong menu. Now you have seen the real one. Go order something gorgeous. I will see you in the next one.